as promised, I'm back here with the quarter-minute repeater chronograph. I thought I'd show you a little bit about what's going on the inside of this beauty. If we flip it open here, we can see on the first cover, first case, we have the inscription chronograph, what is it, répétition, quart, 32 rubies, 32 jewels, balancier compensé spirale breguet, serial numbers and so on. Actually quite nice here. If we go ahead again and open the next cover, you can see just an absolutely magnificent movement. It's nice to see this here from the inside. It's probably an opportunity to have a quick look at the Ding Dong repeater here in action. If I pull this lever counterclockwise, basically. Sorry about the focus. Oops. Where are we? There you go. And there you have it. Quite a nice piece here. Sorry about the light, but do my best here to show you the inner movement of this most wonderful pocket watch. Thank you for watching.